$25 million contract for Spanish Town Road transmission upgrade. Office of the Prime Minister implements COVID-19 measures and
the date fixed for the taking of the polls, that is the general elections for the year 2020, is therefore Thursday, September the 3rd, 2020.
You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan. Last Monday, the Office of the Prime Minister implemented COVID-19 protocols and suspended operations at one of its buildings due to a suspected case of the novel coronavirus. In a release, Permanent Secretary Audrey Sewell said the move was made out of an abundance of caution. The building was closed and deep cleaning activities carried out. The building in question houses limited clerical office operations at the OPM and is not heavily trafficked or frequented by staff or visitors. The space is not linked to the executive building and poses no exposure to the Prime Minister. On Tuesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that Jamaicans would go to the polls on September 3. Nomination day has been set for August 18, and Parliament was dissolved on August 13. As he made the disclosure, the Prime Minister revealed that protocols were being finalized to keep citizens safe as they vote for their political representatives.
Once that is done, then I will place them in the Disaster Risk Management Act as orders, which means consequences will flow for breaches. It is very difficult. I have been on the road. I have seen it. I take this opportunity to appeal to supporters of both political parties that it is important that politics does not become a cause of the spread.
Still in Parliament Tuesday, Mr. Holness brought a resolution to revoke the state of public emergency across the island. The special security measure, which was operational in 10 of the 19 police divisions across 6 parishes, ended on August 17. The revocation comes ahead of nomination day on August 18. States of public emergency to quell crime were in operation since January 18, 2018. Government has signed a $25 million contract for a transmission main upgrade, which will improve the water supply between 6 Miles and Blake Road in Kingston. Prime Minister Andrew Holness and other government officials signed the contract with M&M Jamaica Limited at Jamaica House on Wednesday.
This project will connect to the pipe that we already laid along the Mandela Highway. It will replace the old mains along Spanish Town Road to Blake Road it is. And this will ensure that the proper water pressure and consistent supply of water can reach the communities along that area and go as far as to central Kingston.
The Prime Minister says the laying of the pipes may cause some dislocation, but new technology will be used, such as directional drilling, to create a tunnel for the mains to be installed underground where possible.
Now, this new main that is laid will last us maybe another 60 years before we will have to do any significant kind of maintenance to it. So we consider this to be a nation-building project.
And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us again next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.